In these two boxes is a pair of bookshelf speakers. The model number is AS1042, and I only have the speakers and the crossover networks. The cabinets were nowhere to be found. I picked these up at a flea market, and somebody opened them up for inventory, and everything's there. So I went ahead and bought them because it's difficult to find anything that hasn't been built that was produced by HeathKit. Okay, here's some rubber spacing, and of course you get the solder that go along with it, and the kit, and the wiring, and that is a nut starter. Very handy little tool. That's the metal back plate, and there's where all the screws and bolts and nuts are. And there's the speaker. This is kind of interesting. You can see the red dot in there, but notice that the whole thing is metal in there. Here's the other side. Pretty interesting. And of course, here's the box that has the other speaker. You can tell that this paper here has been on there for a while. And we'll take a look at the instruction book a little later. There's a couple of rings for each speaker that goes on the cabinets. And this hasn't been opened, so I'm going to leave it closed, but it's got some pretty good weight to it. Okay, here's the assembly manual for the AS1042 two-way bookshelf speaker system. And if we open this up, we have a letter here, and also this would be the sticker that goes on the back of the speaker. So we have a serial number there. Okay, I just stopped and got the other catalog out to see what the serial numbers were, and they do match. Okay. So this is what they're supposed to be, and of course the cabinet is what I don't have. But for those of you that have never built a HeathKit, you get a complete parts list of what's in the box. And drawings of what's in the box with their labels and very detailed instructions on how to put things together. And of course, as you go, there's a checklist that you can check by the paragraph that you've completed that part of the assembly. And here's the specifications and some theory of how this works. And the diagram.